All right, everybody. So we got some big news. What if crypto didn't force you to choose between freedom and performance? And today we are going to get into it with something you might have heard of. We've been talking about it on this channel. So if you're excited, let me know down below. And before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So GlobeFi, you may have seen it, you may have heard of it, is a hybrid DEX and exchange. It was created challenge that false choice because at GlobeFi there are three defining advantages. It's a hybrid exchange that blends decentralized ownership and centralized performance, security first infrastructure with smart contracts, real utility, team incentives. The quiet problem is crypto is growing so fast with the foundations haven't exactly, gone wisely. What do I mean by that? It's growing fast, people are hearing about it, but, sometimes growing too fast can be a problem. So the problem is decentralized platforms restore control, but they have liquidity problems, slower execution, and too many projects are just chasing the hype. GlobeFi International came from a simple conviction. The future of crypto needs to have freedom, security, and performance. So instead of choosing sides, GlobeFi got integration. Now, at this heart of ecosystem, they have a hybrid with a decentralized exchange and development designed to deliver non-custodial control, improved execution, smoother, more intuitive experiences, and that's where the token comes in. Under a fully audited smart contract with an independent security firm, so you can do a DAO with it, access to platform, incentive alignment, as well as staking opportunities for passive income, liquidity aligned, and it's built for long term. You can check it out on the Telegram, the website, the Twitter links. But what are the exciting things right here? Well, actually, the big thing is GlobeFi is taking off right now, and we have an IDO. So you'll check out all the official announcements. You can see them right here on the roadmap, but it has been featured on MEXC, and for good reason. So let's see what's going on with GlobeFi. Here we can see GlobeFi empowering a hybrid exchange with AI integrated blockchain, decentralized crypto wallet, driven portfolio manager. It is all here with staking, referrals, even an awesome leaderboard. And the vision is simple: to revolutionize global financial landscapes and empower a generation of traders and investors. So stop getting stuck on decentralized exchanges because they're too confusing, and stop trying to play with centralized exchanges because they're hard to use. So why is this different from other exchanges? Asset custody, 100% self-custody. Execution, milliseconds. Trading fees, 100 early members. Rev share, 5% fee sharing platforms. That's huge. Pro-terminal AI signals audited onset or chainment. It's audited by Cyberscope, so you know it's good to go. We have a breakdown of the tokenomics here from team advisors, public liquidity, reserve marketing development, and ecosystem. This is launching right here with the pre-sale starting on January 5th and ending on March. We got the tokens for pre-sale, so it is going on now. It has launched. You can grab some. It's 1/8, and we got the token info right here. So guys, how do you do it? You get a Phantom or a Soulflare wallet. Then you can go on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, get an exchange like that, and simple. You send your Solana USDT to the wallet, and you're good to go. Put in the amount you want, your email, and you are ready. You can also see the roadmap here with all the exciting things going on, guys. So that is GFI in a nutshell. Let me know what you think of it down below. I think this is super, super exciting. And guys, check out their social media because big things are happening in the community. I'm super stoked for it. I hope you are too. Here you can find them at GlobeFi right here. Welcome to GlobeFi, your connection to financial future. All the big things are happening. You can see the audits and everything else. So I'm going to keep this simple, guys. If you want to see the future of cryptocurrency absolutely blow up with a hybrid exchange, GFI is here. The pre-sale is going on. Let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.